Chapter 4, Section 4, Misleading Graphs and Statistics. When we talk about misleading, we can say that it's a kind of using the true information but telling the lie. So that's how we can, such as what you can see when you go shopping, it's written like a big 50%, then write a discount. There is no problem with that one. And here they wrote very small, up to. It's maximum 50%, but you will never see 50%. Maybe one of items can be, if you search very well, but you will see that's 5%, 10% discount. But it's say 50% discount to take your attention, but they write very small, up to. So they use a real information, but they make you believe some things it's not there. Such as that one. That's a graph. There is no problem with this graph actually. If you check it, that's 1800 milliampere per hour. So, and that one 1500 milliampere per hour. So 300 milliamperes more than the brand 3. The brand one is 300 more than from brand 3, but it looks like 3 times greater. Look at that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 3 times more than brand 3. If you compare brand 3 and brand 1. But it's not like that actually. Why? If that doesn't start from the 0. If it starts from the 0, let's say 0, let's say 1000, 1500, and say 2000. So the real graph has to look like, let's draw the green line. It's until 1018. Let's say that's the 1018, and the other is 1700. That's, let's say, yellow one. Okay, that's a little low, and the other 1500. Okay, here. Let's choose the purple color here. That's okay. As you see, in the real graph, if you choose the real graph, the difference doesn't very much. It's not look like 3 times greater, lots of difference. No, it's a bit difference makes sense. Yeah, it's right. It has more milliampere hour, so it's go longer than the others, but not very long. So that's the misleading here. The graph doesn't start with 0, so that's the problem. Let's continue. Okay, here again, another misleading graph. When you check it, it doesn't look like any problem at you. But here, this picture, this size of the picture says 100. So this value is 100, 100, 100. But this value means 20. So 20, 20, 20, 20. So the size and the values doesn't match very good. So look at, these are 50. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. In the total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. So that's 600, the value. What about that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 250. It looks like only a little difference here. That's side, a little difference. But in the reality there are 350 difference box and cans. That's the difference very much. But to show the difference low, 50 boxes, 100 boxes, you use the true information, but you misleading the idea. What they believe there is a small difference between the food donated cans and the boxes. So the shapes and the values doesn't match here. Okay, let's continue from this question. On this question, let's change it's to the highlighter. So I want to highlight something. The reporter asked 9 students what he asked if they participate and organize athletics, any sport club or some things. So of the 50 who responds yes. So 50 students say yes. So from, I am sorry, I forget to change the pen. That's okay. Now 90 students, the reporter asked, 50 say yes. So 50 students say yes. Out of what? 90. And 26, here is, I need to highlight it again. Let's highlight with the blue color. 26 played on a school team. Out of what? 50. And if you read the continued reading, 14 played in community leagues and 10 compete in individual competition. The report said half of all students play in school team. No, even this 26, not half of the 90. Half of the students who play sport, who answered yes, I make sport activities, half of them on the school team. So from this information, we cannot say half of the all students. It's only half of the who say yes. She needs to say 50% who participate in an organized athletics, 50% of them on school team. Who said yes? Who responded yes? So 50% of who responded yes on a school team, not 90, not how many students that is reported asked. So that's the misleading. If there are, let's say 200 students, 100 of them playing on the school team, does not look like possible to me. That's the one misleading part. Let's continue. That's another good example of the misleading. Let's highlight. The total number of life jackets sold by Watersport, so that's a company name, Watersport World. And here it says from April 1 to September 1. It was 619. So the total number of life jackets sold by boats and more, that's okay, from July 1 to September 1, 153. If you read the sentences, you can think the first company sold was 619 and the second company sold 153. So the first company is better has better sale. But be careful here. One of them from April 1 to September. And the second, not from April, July. So April, May, June, July, August, September. So there are 6 months. In 6 months, and this is July 1 to September 1. September 1. So July, August, September, only 3 months. So the dates, if we want to compare something, we will choose same in dates, not different dates. So the problem here with the dates. And let's see another example. That's a good one. Okay, as you see, 5 home models. I want to highlight it again. Starting the price, so there are house prices 475, 500, 225, 480, 510. The developer placed advertisement that reads new homes average price is 438. But if you see only one of them less than 438, here I want to check, that's okay. Only one value is less than 438. The others all greater than and far greater than 438. So what is the misleading? There is an outlier 225 to show the central tendency where we need to use median that is equal 1, 2, 3, so 480. So we can say the new home's average price 480. That will be true, 480,000. But instead of that, they use mean. So because of the outlier, mean look like lower than the average. So 438,000. So that's the misleading. Actually, the real house start from the 400. The average price is 480, not 438. So that's the last example. That's okay. A movie premieres for 12 selected viewers. 8 viewers rate the movie highly. Think about it. There's a new movie coming up, and only 12 people watch it. only 12 people watch it and 8 like it. Can you say all peoples will going to like it too? No. Why? 12 people is very low. So our sample space that we ask is low. Too low. At least ask 100 people. What 12? That's the mistake. You cannot say, oh, we have a good movie. We are going to produce a very good movie because 8 over 12, that makes 2 over 3. 2 over 3 likes, so 0.66 probably they like the movie. No, you cannot say. The sample space is too slow. Thanks for listening.